Hello there, this is Mutawini and I'm back with a new video. And before we get into the new video, kindly click the subscription button below and I will really appreciate, guys. Last video I told you that I like cooking, and today I cook whenever I feel like I really need to cook. So today I'm in the moods of cooking and I've decided to share with you on how I do my mandazis. They normally take me a whole week. When you're in school, sometimes you have to be economical for you to survive. So I decided to share my recipe with you because last month I had some friends over and I cooked the mandazis for them and they were like, we like your mandazis, they are so yummy and sweet, and some really wanted to have my recipe and the ingredients I use, and that's why, guys, I've decided to do this video to share with you. I'm very sure you like it. So today we are going to be cooking those mandazis and we are going to be using my sink. So don't worry, I only have the sink, so this is the only place I can do my cooking, so you will bear with me for that. If you have a bigger space, I can do it there. So guys, if you feel like cooking like me, let's get into it. If you don't feel like cooking now, watch and enjoy the video, and I know by the end of it you really like to try my recipe, and I know you really like the mandazis.
Come fill me up, I can love you crazy, baby. Can't get enough, no. Just the feel of your touch can take me. Come take me for the ride of my life. Don't just stop right there, baby. I whisper in your ear like don't just stop right there, right there. With every motion, lose control. You got me floating away. Lose myself to you. When we're alone, it's all I want. When I'm alone with you, come take me for the ride of my life. Constant pleasure. Know just what you want. I got it here forever. Won't you find my treasure? Don't you know that once you feel a flame, it'll never be the same. Oh, I just might act right if you take your time. If you could love me gently, speed it up, be steady. Give it your best shot, baby, love me all night. Need time, got plenty. Take me, I'm ready. trembling, you shake with the bass sound. Mean it still is the way I'm coming your direction. Pursue, I will track runner, going for the finish line. Finish line, finish line, finish line. I got this. You want me to be yours, and I want.
So guys, my duff is ready and it's smelling so yummy. So we are going to go to the part of cooking, and you will excuse me, it's raining over here, but I will try my best to be loud enough. Yeah, so I will be cutting small pieces and rolling them. Yeah, you can see where my duff looks like. Very smart. So then I'm using this flour to make sure the duff does not stick on my chopping board. Yeah, I told her I'll be using a chopping board. That is the only thing I can afford for now. Yeah, so I'm rolling the duff. Excuse my language. I'm an African. Yeah, as English is at some point. Just do it very quickly and lightly to avoid it not to stick. So I cut using this one. This is a lid for my blender, but I normally use it to shape the mandazi. So yeah, after I'm through, I will bring the camera nearer so that you can be able to see what I have done. I pinch small amount of flour, then I put it inside my oil. You see, nothing is happening. It's just, I see anything. It's just sitting on the top, so it's not ready yet. So I'm gonna wait for some time, then we will try again. We see. Yeah. So okay, I've not showed you. I have made my mandazis. That's how they look. See? Yeah, that's how I make them.
Lately I've been thinking about what I can do. I've been stressing to fall back in love with you. I'm so sorry that I couldn't follow through, but I can't go on this way. I gotta stop it, babe. You've been wonderful and all that you can be.
The lower side, then we start turning them to the other side to get ready. We are sometimes so stubborn because of the fluffiness. They get fluffy and just love it. Get fluffy. Yeah, you can see they are smelling so yummy. Yeah, so you wait some time for the other side to be ready. And when it's ready, you make sure you don't take oil with the mandazis and remove them. I first put them in a sufuria for them to cool because I can't put them direct to the basin since it's plastic. And I go back to the preparation of the dough and the process goes on.
Expensive doughs, never let a
Please subscribe and remember to try that recipe. I know you'll enjoy the mandazis. They are really sweet. So hi guys, let's meet on the next
video. Come fill me up. I can love you crazy, baby. Can't get enough, no. Just the feel of your touch can